Let's make a guava and cheese stuffed French toast. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the cheese filling, and we're using queso fresco as well as cream cheese. The queso fresco is going to give a little bit of saltiness, and the cream cheese is for the creaminess, and then we're going to add some powdered sugar. Okay, to my food processor, I'm going to add the cream cheese. That was 8 ounces of cream cheese, and we're using about 4 ounces of the queso fresco. And just crumble it in. To that, we're going to add a half a cup of powdered sugar, as well as a 1/4 cup of milk. I'm going to add a little splash of vanilla. Put the lid on. And we're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Nice, spreadable consistency. Okay, now we're going to do the guava portion. Here I have some guava paste. I'm going to add the guava paste to a microwave safe bowl. To this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of water just to help it get nice and smooth. And we're going to place this in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the guava paste breaks down and becomes a smooth paste. Okay, it's out of the microwave. And I'm going to just stir it so that the residual heat will break everything down until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, now it's all about the bread. This is a braided brioche. I like using a whole loaf so I can cut as thick as I want it. And basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cut some thick slices. So you want about that thick of a slice. Do that with the rest of the loaf. Okay, now we're going to begin our custard mixture. We have 6 eggs that I'm going to crack into this pie dish. To this, we're adding about 1/2 cup of milk. We're going to sprinkle in some cinnamon, of course. What is French toast without cinnamon? I also like to add a little bit of nutmeg, just a little bit. Of course, we have to add vanilla, and we're going to whisk that up. Okay. Set that aside for a minute. Okay, now we're going to take our bread slices and we're going to spread it with that cheese mixture, the queso fresco and the cream cheese. Just a thin layer, you don't need much. Do the same with the guava jam. We're going to marry the two together. We're going to grab our egg mixture, and I also have some pumpkin granola. This has granola, but it has pumpkin seeds, and it's delicious. I get this from Costco. And basically, I'm going to dip one side of that bread into the granola to give it a crunchy texture. Then I'm going to take that stuffed French toast, dip it in the egg mixture, make sure you get all the sides, and then into that granola, just like that. Do the same with the other one. Okay, I'm going to place this in the freezer for about 5 minutes just so that that granola can really adhere, as well as the egg. Okay, I have a cast iron pan here. What I like to do so that my butter doesn't burn, I put a little bit of olive oil Then I add my butter. Then I'm going to add my stuffed French toast with the granola side down first. Quick flip. Just like that. Now I'm going to place this in the 350-degree oven for about 5 minutes. Okay, so here we have our beautiful stuffed French toast. Just going to cut into this one. I made some dulce de leche just to drizzle right over the top. And there you have it, guava and cheese stuffed French toast.
If you liked this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.